Dan Zalewski. I'm playing the roles of Charles Moritz and Antonin Scalia in this production. And I chose to do this play because I have grown to love and trust Ensemble Theater and their artistic vision, and Celeste as a director. I have the distinct honor of being the only actor to perform in both the first and the last production in this Notre Dame space. So I feel I have a unique privilege in that regard. This particular play is about a woman who I've always looked up to, who is an icon of our generation, and who I honestly didn't know a whole lot about aside from what we heard about on the news. This play gives a human touch to her and really opens up some doors into her life that I don't think many people had opened before. I think it would be a unique advantage to everyone to come and see it and to learn more about someone who is so important in American history.